Vroom, vroom, vroom. It's quite boring to play with toys. Nowadays, like, video games have been more popular. Let me search for a car video game. Let me go online. Car games. Yes, car games. Yes. Let me see. Nice games. Does anybody have some like related to surrounding, means environment? No. Now I wanted that. It's then quite boring. No problem. I will think of it soon. Vroom, 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 vroom. Wow. What's that sparkle? Oh. What? Carla? What's that? Carla. Let's go online. Carla? Something related to car? Carla simulator. I like simulator. Oh wow, cars. I want to get this. I really want Carla. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to Shari's Code. This is me, Shari Srivastav. And now, as you saw, yes, Carla, an application. It is a simulator for cars. And unfortunately, it's something related to coding. Yes. So today, after I learned about this, I went to the site and made some changes. Now I have CARLA installed. You can see the surrounding. It's so good, right? I got this after I made only my surrounding and everything, a lot of work. So I will show you how much. So I have this whole folder with so many things, and each contains these a lot of things. Like in this, there are so many for codes, and I have this CARLA UE4 which I am using to open it. So now I will show you by creating Kawasaki Ninja in a CARLA. Wait a minute, let me exit first. Yes. So first of all, I am going to take write this code, that Python simple CARLA.py. This is actually a code for it is actually for creates. It is a document which I have, and it creates this all these cars and all. So I will take then write filter vehicles, and then dot I will type Kawasaki Ninja. enter. Now let me wait. It will be soon here anytime. Oh yes, you can see it. It's here. Let me go far because it's going to come. It is moving because it is in autopilot. Aha, here it goes. You won't be speed enough, I know that. But can you see the cool car? It's so amazing, right? But now if you want to view it in a storm mode, you just have to write one single thing. That is, go over here, then wait a minute, let me just see. Yes, so just wait a second. So in this now you can see Kawasaki Ninja, then hyphen, no hyphen, autopilot. Now enter. So it might be visible here anytime. Actually, sorry, I wrote it a bit wrong. Yes, so Kawasaki Ninja. No space in between these. Yes. Now I guess it's correct. So yes, I did it. Now let me wait and see. Here it comes. Oh yes. Now it won't move. So let me get closer, and closer till the time you can experience it. This which is moving is just camera. Sorry, I moved a bit too inside the ground. Let me take it high above. Yes. So you can see a human with a bike of Kawasaki Ninja. From behind also you can see. But the one thing that you will see, no number plate, just California CARLA. And the human is also of CARLA. This is because they advertise it like that. Now you can go over here and just see, you can see it's a Ninja Kawasaki. It's just like the real car. And now let's change it to one of the favorites, BMW. So let's change this to BMW Grand Tourer. BMW Grand and Tourer. Now enter. After this I will show you something. That the weather you can see, I can change that. Accidents. Sorry about that. It happened because I forgot to remove it. So let me remove it. Let's see. Now I will go here. I guess it should work now. Yes, sorry for that. Yes, now you can see this is a BM Grand Tourer, yeah, in an accident mode. But still, it drives in autopilot. So this is it. Okay. So now I will show you the weather changes. For that, I have opened a file dynamic weather I will open it in this. Wait a minute, let me do exit first. Now let me just type the dynamic header, yes, and in the speed of 10 so that it moves faster. You will be able to see what is over here. Now I will go away. Yes. Just watch it. It's so interesting. I like it a lot. See the fog, water, the cows like a ninja standing over there. All the shadow and the graphic, that's super nice. The leaves are also moving. When it comes the clouds, the shadows, according to the sun, the shadow moves. The sun moves. So much the detail. I like it. The street light is on now. You can see the details in it. This is not a lab I created, but I can change it, and I like it. A simulator, a stars, the star and the world of cars. Welcome to CARLA. It rains a lot, I guess. I guess that all cars aren't boring at all, but CARLA will never be a boring. Thank you. Sorry, Semester. It is me, and now you were watching Shari's Code. So bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy, and until the next video, I would suggest you all to use CARLA, and to learn more about it, you have to join Whitehead Junior because I learned from there, or you can just watch something. In Whitehead Junior class 202 it started. Okay, again with the Vroom, bye, have a nice day.